Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have 4 answers 36, 32, 25 and 9. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what are the PALM rules which we can follow to solve the arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. Step number 3, you have to find out division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. You can solve that one. Similarly, for addition or subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now, move forward to solve the given expression. As per word mass and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve all brackets. So in our expression, we do not have any bracket, so we can skip that step in this expression. Step number 2 is you have to see the exponent or any number which has the power. You can say order. So in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power, so we can skip that step as well. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. So what will you do? You have to go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So first we have this division. 30 plus 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. And multiply by 3 we will write as it is. And minus 10 we can write as it is. So 20 divided by 5 equals to 4. Right? Now we have to go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication again. So here we have this multiplication. 4 multiplied by 3, which is equals to 30 plus 4 3 is 12. Here minus 10. And here we will give the reference 4 multiplied by 3 equals to 10. Sorry, 12. Okay, now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right. Now we do not have any division and multiplication. We will have this addition, which is 30 plus 12. So we will add both of them and get the answer is 42. Minus 10 we can write as it is. And here we will give the reference 30 plus 12 equals to 42. Now move forward. We have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is 32. So the answer of the given expression is 32. If you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer of this expression. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So we will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.